dental hygienist at the practice. Most of my time is taken up treating patients for gum disease and preventative care, preventing gum disease. But also we've started doing some tooth whitening here, which I'm also doing. There's 3 different types of tooth whitening, yes, depending on the patient's needs.
At the top end, why would I choose to go for your premium tooth whitening service?
That's done in a surgery, hence its price, because it takes up a lot of surgery time. The benefits of having in-surgery whitening are that you're white the day that you leave. It's about an hour and a half procedure. You do have to do some home whitening on top of it to prevent your teeth going back to the colour they were at the beginning. But it's all done in the surgery. It's very controlled. We use a high percentage bleach, so we get results very quickly. It's non-sensitive procedures, no sensitivity, because we can control where we put the gel. The 2 other options are tray whitening, which is where you have a set of impressions taken. They're sent off to a laboratory where they make a custom-made tray to fit you, which is a bit like a gum shield, but it's made to measure. You'll put the gel in that yourself any time during the day that you choose, and you need to wear it twice a day for 30 minutes, and for at least 5 days, usually up to about 10 days.
Right.
That's one procedure. The other procedure is the Get to Smile kit, which is a kit that we show you how to use, but it's all done at home, where we're using a gel but also a light which promotes the absorption of the gel into the tooth.
Why should I come to a dental surgery like Bridge Dental Smiles rather than doing this at home?
Okay. Ultimately, it's the gel that we use. It's very tried and tested. It's had lots of stringent, tests on it to make sure that it's safe to use in the surgery environment and, more importantly, at home. The gels that you may get over the internet or being used by maybe not dental professionals and not always so safe. Although they'll be safe, the damage that they can potentially do to enamel, because they're very acidic, could possibly be damaging. They strip the top layer of enamel off, which makes the tooth appear whiter, but of course that's damaging. The tooth very dehydrated afterwards.
So what's the advantages of having a tray that's custom made?
The one advantage is that you get a more even result. The gel's put in, it's a very precise way of putting it in. The tray's made so that it spreads nice and evenly. There's an even layer between the tooth and the shield. And also what gel may leak out. Some of the trays that you use over the internet and things have to be slept in, but of course you don't know what you're doing in the night, how much is leaking out because the trays don't fit properly, what you might be swallowing, that sort of thing. Okay. Yeah, Bridge Dental Smiles is the website, yes, and
.co.uk?
Yes, yeah, of course, and the phone number's 01952 613311.
And where are you located?
Open Gates, Telford. Yeah, nice central location. So yeah, just ring the receptionist, they'll be more than happy to help.
Thank you, Sarah.
Yeah. Okay.